Efficient oil separator systems, developed by HYDAC, your reliable expert for practical applications. Is your cleaning system not efficient enough? Is your product quality suffering because of this? HYDAC knows your system can do more. We can optimize the performance of your system for you, because stable processes mean lower costs and less resource input. HYDAC oil separators are available as the Mobile Coalescence Separator Unit, OLSW, or as the space-saving stationary separator, PLF1C. The OLSW, for simple plug-and-play in the bypass flow on your cleaning system, is equipped with a pre-filter, pump, and control unit. The stationary PLF1C is suitable for your new system instead of a conventional heavy-gravity oil separator or as a retrofit in your existing system. Our efficient solution is based on the principle of coalescence. The advantages of active and passive oil separation are combined in a clever way. The separation is faster, which makes our product more efficient than conventional systems. And this is how it works. Fine oil droplets are coalesced through the special HYDAC filters. Different filter levels ensure that larger and larger oil droplets form, which subsequently rise quickly and separate efficiently from the water. Your advantage? HYDAC oil separators realize a residual oil content of under 1% at high volume flows of up to 100 liters per minute. This provides you with a more consistent cleaning result because the surfactants can work effectively. This means a longer fluid service life at lower costs for you, while at the same time conserving resources. Thanks to its low water content, the separated tramp oil can be easily processed and reused or can be disposed of cheaply. The mobile HYDAC coalescence separator units work automatically to a large extent. Using smart online monitoring, you can reliably monitor and document all data. For efficient oil separation, you can rely on HYDAC, your partner for professional fluid care and filtration.